Is your video file corrupted, not playing, freezing, no audio or showing errors? Maybe your camera stopped recording suddenly, phone crashed, storage corruption, or a file got damaged during transfer. In this video, I'll show you how to repair corrupted video files step by step using Stellar Repair for Video tool. By this tool, you can fix your corrupted videos like videos from any camera or device or any file formats. Also here you can see some corrupted types like repairs corrupt MP4, MOV and AVI files, fix grainy and blurry videos, repairs broken or damaged videos, fix unsupported video codec error. All type of corrupted videos you can repair by this Stellar Repair for Video tool. Okay, first thing first. At first, you have to download and install this software. Okay, the installing process is done. And here is the Stellar Repair for Video tool. By this tool, you can repair any kind of corrupted video files. Here I have collected 2 samples of corrupted videos like this. This video is not opening anymore. Now let's see how to repair the corrupted videos. To do that, you have to add a corrupted video. Click here and then select the corrupted video. Okay, after selecting this, you have to click on repair. And you can see repair process completed. From here you can preview this. As this is a demo version, you can only see the partial preview. You can see I have successfully repaired this corrupted video file. Okay, for the next corrupted video, I have selected this. Now click on repair. Here the repair process completed. And here in the action section, you can see you need to advanced repair for this corrupted video file. If I click on this, and you can see use this option to repair severely damaged videos. That means this corrupted video file is severely damaged. So if you want to repair this video file, you have to click on next to add sample video of the same format shot using the same device. Okay, I am selecting the same format to repair this corrupted file. Add a sample video. After selecting this, you have to click on repair. Okay, you can see repair process completed. Now we can see the preview. That's amazing, and this is repaired successfully. Okay, if you want to save this repaired file, you have to select repaired files. And here you can see enter activation key to activate the product. By this Stellar Repair for Video tool, you cannot save the repaired video file for free. You have to purchase a package for this. Here you can see Stellar Repair for Video tool. You will get Windows or Mac version. You can purchase according to your preference. I will recommend you before purchasing this package must check the Trustpilot review. Okay, after purchasing a package, you will get the registration code in your email address. Simply copy the registration code and paste here. After then click on activate. You can see activation successful. Do the same thing. Okay, now save repaired files. You can save repaired file at source location or your custom location. Repaired files saved successfully. Now let's check. This is the repaired file. And here you can see the repairing successfully done. This stellar repair for video tool is very easy to repair any corrupted video files. You can try yourself. Okay, this is the offline software. If you want to repair your video file through online, then you can try this free online video repair. The process is same, just you have to log in here. After logging, you can try yourself. Simply upload your corrupted video file and then follow the screen instruction. And finally, you will get this result. For this online repair tool, you can repair one video file only, and the file size limit will be 100 megabyte. For more repairing, you have to purchase a package. And this is the stellar repair for video tool overview. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you face any issues, kindly comment below and I will try to help you. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.